Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video of Yinas Academy. So friends, in the previous video we have learned about the automation. We have learned the different types of the automation. Now friends, in this particular video we are going to learn about the top 7 reasons that you need to understand before automating your plant. Means these reasons are very much essential to automate a manufacturing plant. Well, friends, as you all are aware, the in this market is becoming competitive just because of the Chinese products. The most of the Chinese manufacturers, they are selling their product at such a less cost and having a particular decent quality that we all know about the Chinese qualities of their products. So they having the reduced cost because they have implemented the automation. So that's why they are producing all of those products at such a lesser cost. So friends, now you need to cope up with their cost and you need to provide a certain level of quality. So for this reason, you need automation. So basically friends, the automation is the implementation of the machines rather than a skilled worker. Over here, the skilled worker is getting replaced by a machine, by a CAD CAM tool, which gives high degree of precision, higher degree of accuracy, and a better quality of the product. Also, it reduces the per unit price of the product. So friends, in this video we are looking out at the top 7 reasons to automate the plant. So friends, if you are new over here on my educational channel Yinas Academy, please subscribe because that really motivates me to make more of such educational content. Let's begin with our today's topic. So friends, starting with the first point, that is increased productivity due to automation. In this competitive market, in any manufacturing industry, whenever the order comes, the customer requires the highest delivery, shortest lead time. So you need to arrange your resources in such a way that you need to do your planning in such a way that to meet the delivery period, to meet the production, the amount, the quantity. It means you need to increase your productivity, and that productivity you can achieve by using the automation. So it is very much simpler. Increase productivity, implement automation. First point. Moving ahead, next is nothing but the it replaces the high cost of the labor. Okay, it replaces the labor. Over here, the implement of the CAD CAM tools, all the machineries that replaces the labor. So whatever the inflation going on within in the labor cost with respect to time, okay, that we can stop by implementing the automation. Also, in some of the countries where the laborers, they don't want to do such kind of the messy jobs like normal drilling, tapping, rimming. They don't want to do that kind of messy jobs. So for that reason, you can automate your plant. It is very simple. Also friends, in some of the countries there is a labor shortage, and that right now in our today's date there is a trend in a labor sector. There is a trend which is going downwards because labor, they don't want to carry out all of those tasks. They don't want to do all of those tasks. By considering all of these factors, we can automate our plant. Over here, the labor is completely replaced by the machines. The safety, the point of the safety, labor safety point is also eliminated over here because you have implemented the automation. So that was all about the labor and the different factors related to the labor and cost. Moving ahead, next is nothing but the high cost of raw materials. So in any manufacturing industry, the certain process needs to be carried on raw materials. So if the raw material cost is very high, then in that scenario, it affects the ultimate cost of the product. But if that raw material is processed in an automated plant, ultimately the cost of those raw materials is going to reduce. So this is the reason if you implement the automation, the ultimately the raw material cost is also going to reduce, and ultimately the final product cost is also going to reduce. Improved product quality. Friends, we all know that just because of this automation implementation of the machines, different industrial robots, the higher degree of precision, higher degree of accuracy is can be achieved. We can achieve the close tolerances in that scenario. So over here, the quality is maintained by implementing the automation. It's like, and for that, to achieve that amount of quality, we need high skill labor, and that high skill labor is also replaced in this automation. Also, reduction in the in process inventory. Friends, we all know that in any manufacturing industry, the lying orders, the in process inventory, it is of no use, it is of zero value. It is a unprocessed inventory, it unprocessed, that needs to be processed further in order to make a finished good, in order to make a final product, that needs to be processed further. But that in process inventory, it is, a debt on a company. So you need to process it further, and to make sell it to the customer, and then you can make the profit. But in process inventory can be eliminated by using the automation, because in the automation there is a line as per the layout of the company. Okay, and in that particular line, and that line is continuous going on, so there is no stack, or there is no in process inventory which is getting stacked in your organization in any manufacturing industry. And the last point is nothing but the reduction in the per unit price of the product. In any automation plant, if you have automated, you have eliminated a lot of factors, you have eliminated labors, you have eliminated all the lead times and everything. So ultimately, that is going to affect the cost of the final product. The final product, its cost is going to reduce by implementing the automation. So friends, these are 7 reasons that is required to automate, to implement the automation in any of the manufacturing industry, in any of the plant. So friends, I hope you understand our today's topic. If you're having any queries, any doubts, please feel free to comment, and please subscribe to my educational channel, Genius Academy. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this educational video. Stay tuned. This is Narendra Buktar signing off. Thank you.